Good morning, dear students. I hope you are enjoying at your home and studying also really well. Now, in today's lecture, we will discuss the same chapter which we discussed in the previous lecture also, which is tenses. So, tenses, as you all know, that is a time at which the action is taking place. It could be present, it could be past, and it could be future also. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the present continuous tense. So, present continuous tense talks about the action that is happening at present, that is happening at right now. Currently, it is happening. Let us discuss the rule for the present continuous tense. It will be subject plus is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing. Now let's discuss the random examples. If I say, suppose I am doing my homework, she is reading a book, they are watching TV, my mother is cooking food, I am playing with my friends in the park. All are the examples of present continuous tense. This shows that the action is happening right now at present. Are you getting me? Then, if I discuss about its tabular form, like if I say with I will put am. With we, you, they, I will put are. With he, she, it, I will put is. I is denoted by am plus verb first form plus ing, am working. Then we, you, they, I we will putting are, work plus verb first form plus ing, working. He, she, it, I will put is, verb first form plus ing, which is he is working, she is working, it is working. Now next we will move on to few more example based on present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to talk about the action which is happening right now, and if we see currently, like you can take any example. Look, it is raining. This shows that currently it is raining. Presently it is raining. I am reading a book. Currently I am reading a book. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter right now. He is using the computer. As I can see that he is using the computer at present. They are playing cricket. Yes, they are playing cricket right now. So the actions which are happening right now are used as the present continuous tense. Now next we will move on to the book exercise based on the exercise and tenses which we have discussed in the previous lecture also and in the current lecture also. It is based on simple present and the present continuous tense. Now let's read the question. Choose the correct verb from the brackets to fill each blank. In the bracket you have been given two options and then you have to choose the most appropriate option from the choice that you have been given. The star shines at night. This shows that it's a simple present tense. I play tennis every day. Simple present tense again. Listen, the phone is ringing. Simple present tense. No, it is present continuous tense. Oil is floating on water. It is present continuous tense. I am leaving now. Goodbye. Again it is present continuous tense. Look, the bus is coming. It is present continuous tense. So students, I request you all that the questions which are given on the page number 72 should be done and it should be completed. It's your homework for today. Next, we will move on to the next tense, which is simple future tense. Simple future tense talks about the action which will happen in the future or the action which have not happened yet. The actions will start in the future, which will begin in the future, but then they will end in the future only. You will be discussing, like you're discussing anything right now, but it will happen in the future. जो चीज़ आप अभी डिस्कस कर रहे हो वो होगी फ्यूचर में. Now let's discuss the rule for the simple future tense. Subject plus will shall plus verb first form. Now let's take the random examples. I will meet my old friend tomorrow. I will meet him tomorrow. I will go to market tomorrow. He will be a teacher. I will see better days, or we will see better days. All are the examples of simple future. Now next we will discuss about when to use the simple future tense. Usage of simple future tense. Like for any kind of unplanned actions which you are planning for the future but you are discussing right now. Things that will definitely happen in the future. Things that will definitely happen in the future. Long-term events planned for the futures. It could be like any kind of future prediction you are doing. So all these things you are discussing currently, but your planning for the future will turn into simple future because they will happen in the future only. Now next we will move on to the book exercise given on the page number 73. What will you do tomorrow? Write 3 sentences using simple future tense. So I have written, I will go to school tomorrow. I will read the newspaper. I will go for a movie tomorrow. All are the examples of simple future tense. The things that will happen in the future only. I request all the students to make their own examples and write in the notebook about the things they will do tomorrow. Next, I will move on to the exercise given on the page number 73. Let me read the question. Complete the given sentences using the present continuous, simple present and the simple past. He is rewriting now. He wrote a letter yesterday. He often writes letter. So he's writing now is a present continuous. He wrote a letter is a simple past. He often writes a letter is a simple present tense. The boy is eating a biscuit now. So the boy is eating now. So it will be present continuous. He ate biscuits yesterday. That means eat will change into ate for the simple past tense. He is reading now. So right now he is reading. He read yesterday, which is the past tense. He reads every day, which is simple present tense. Mr. Sen is teaching English now. Right now, currently, he is teaching English. So we have used present continuous tense. He taught English yesterday, which is the past tense of teach. He taught English yesterday. So students, I request everyone to complete this exercise given on the page number 73 in the grammar book. And this is a homework for you. It's a practice work for you. This will definitely improve your skills in the grammar. And the more you will speak, the more you will understand the things in a better way. Suppose if I say, in the next lecture we will be doing some assignments based on the tenses which we have discussed in the first lecture and the exercise which we have discussed in the second lecture. So it will be based completely on simple past, simple present, present continuous and the simple future. Today you will be revising all the tenses, which is a homework for you, and you will be doing it in a very proper way because this is a very important topic of the grammar. it will improve your writing skills, reading skills, speaking skills in a very better way.